Nike, NTAP, Ross, Morgan Stanley. Dick's DKS is setting up for an inside bar. We need that to go up in order for that to trigger. Outside of that, CRM is up a little bit. Lift was up a couple cents, which is just fine. Really nothing happening there. We got time on all of those. We'll see what sets up for us as we open up in 10 seconds. As far as any sort of gaps, I don't see anything. I think that we're just going to see a cautious small pullback, if anything, if I had to guess. Good thing is I don't have to guess. There's our bell. Markets just holding their slight gains with the SPYs actually down a little bit.